Hey guys, it's Emily. So I have a Hot Topic package here. I haven't ordered from Hot Topic in a long time, so I'm super excited. I ordered a jean jacket with like a coffin outline with like flowers. It's so pretty. So I decided to order that. And then I ordered a Hocus Pocus shirt. So I'm excited to open it up. I did order an Edward Scissorhands shirt too, t-shirt, but that didn't come. That is coming separate. But yeah, and it was actually a buy two get one free, so I got a good deal on this. So yeah, I decided to get myself a few things since my birthday is coming up. So let's open it up. So stuff is in here, so I can tell the jean jackets first. Yeah, let's open. We don't need to see the receipt. Let's open the Hocus Pocus shirt. This came out like right when I was gonna place this order because something else sold out that I wanted, and then I saw the Hocus Pocus show and I'm like, wait, I need to get this. And they just came out with another one too, which I'm sad about because I wish I saw these before. But yeah, I do have a Hocus Pocus sweatshirt from Disney, but it's like way too big on me, so I really needed a like long sleeves or something. So here it is. It just says Hocus Pocus from the movie Disney. And then on the sleeves, it has really cool like designs. There's a moon, there's an eye. Here's like, here's the broom, and then the vacuum cleaner. And then I guess that's supposed to be blinks, and then the black candle. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So I got that. And that was originally $28. So that's what that looks like. I kind of want the other one. The other one's like orange and it has a cool design. Okay, so now we're going to open up the jean jacket. I don't usually wear jean jackets, so I was really hesitating on this, but it looked so cool. And I decided to just go for it. So hopefully I do wear it because I was just kind of like, I don't know. This was like $45 for this too, by the way. But it's so cool on the back that I just had to get it. Oh yeah, this is really cool. So this is what it looks like on the back, if you can see that. So that's what it looks like. It's really cool. I wish this was on a t-shirt instead of a jacket, but it's just like a really cool design. That's what kind of sold me on it, because I'm like, I have to get this. This is so cool. We probably won't see anything like that again. And then in the front, it says rest in peace. So that's kind of funny. But yeah, it's just a jean jacket. So yeah, really cool. I got a medium, so hopefully it won't be too big on me. It looks kind of big, but it should be okay. So that's what it looks like. But yeah, so those are the two things I got. That and then the Hocus Pocus shirt. I kind of want the other one now too, but yeah, so yeah, that's what I got. So I hope you enjoyed the video and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed.